Looking for the best online courses to learn AI before it's too late? With artificial intelligence transforming every industry, there's never been a better time to start learning the skills that employers are actively looking for. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access thousands of AI courses and career-focused programs for less. If you're a complete beginner, Andrew Ng's AI for Everyone is one of the best places to start. It explains how AI works, where it's being used, and how it will change the future of work. You don't need any programming experience, making it perfect for anyone curious about AI. Once you understand the basics, move on to Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization. It's one of the highest-rated AI programs on Coursera, with a 4.9-star rating and hundreds of thousands of learners. You'll learn Python, machine learning, neural networks, TensorFlow, and the core concepts behind modern AI systems. If you're ready for more advanced topics, the Deep Learning Specialization is the next step. It covers computer vision, natural language processing, large language models, and other techniques used in today's AI applications. You should also explore newer courses like Generative AI for Everyone and AI Python for Beginners. These courses introduce practical AI tools and skills that are becoming increasingly valuable in today's workplace. The best part is that you don't have to buy each course separately. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Stanford, DeepLearning.AI, and many other leading institutions. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $200 to $39 for the entire year. If you're planning to take multiple AI courses, it's a much better value than purchasing them one by one. The people who succeed in the AI era won't be the ones who wait. They'll be the ones who start learning today. If you're ready to build future-proof skills, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.